Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Disney Princess Poseable Comic Collection. We found these at Target for prices ranging from $9.99 for the singles, $19.99 for the Magic Carpet Ride, and $29.99 for Ariel and Friends. For ages 3 and up. I must be so behind because I didn't even know there was a Disney comic collection. And the drawings are so cute. Here is Aladdin and Jasmine, and you can see a magic carpet on the inside. On the back of the box, there is a small sample of a comic strip. It looks like Jasmine and Aladdin are having some trouble with radiojh. At the bottom, it says, check out Disney Princess Comics Collection. Explore exciting adventures, each sold separately, subject to availability. Disney Comics. You can see the covers of a few books, and I believe if we cut these out, they will look great in the dollhouse. So our dolls can read the Disney comics too! Love it! And wow, I really like the artwork. Look at Rapunzel, she's so cute! The Rapunzel doll is individually packaged, and her sample comic strip on the back is all about the hair. This Pocahontas is also a single, and she is having hair issues as well. For Belle, I had to go to 2 Targets to find her. On the back of the box, Belle is enjoying some light reading in her comic strip. With Ariel and Friends, there is a cute little comic on the back with Flounder. There are lots of fun adventures to be had here. Let's get the figures out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, this set is called Ariel and Friends, but I am not sure if Ursula qualifies as a friend. But she is super fabulous. Ursula is one of my favorite villains. She stands at about 6 inches tall to the top of her hair, while Ariel is just a little over 5. Whoa, look at that face. Since Ursula has a wide base, no stand is required. She can move at the head, shoulder, elbow, and at the waist. But she has some really good motion at the waist. She can go back, to the side, forward. So yeah, there's some options there. Prince Eric comes with a stand. It looks like wood planks from the ship. He has movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, and waist. It looks like he can almost sit down. Nope, no he can't. And there is a limited range on his arms. I can't get them to go straight down. Ariel is wearing her pink dress with her hair pulled back at the sides. They all seem to have pretty much the same articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, and something at the waist. However, I feel that Ariel is slightly easier to pose. She comes with a large clamshell stand, but she's not too difficult to balance without it. I just pulled the insert out of the box, and that would make a very cool step and repeat. On the red carpet tonight, it's Ariel! Hi everybody! Ariel, tell us what you're wearing! Oh, my dress is by...
Move over, fish bait.
Aladdin is one of my favorite Disney movies. With the Magic Carpet Ride set, we get Jasmine, Aladdin, and the Magic Carpet as a stand. Aladdin and Jasmine can bend a little more at the waist so they can sit on the carpet. But Jasmine's hair makes her a little top heavy, so it's a little bit of effort to get her to balance. I had it earlier. When she's looking forward, her hair stands straight out, which is perfect for riding a magic carpet. But if you want her to be standing there casually, well, maybe you have to pretend like there's always a fan on in the room. But if you tilt her head up, then that's kind of cute, like she's gazing at the stars. She is wearing a green 2-piece outfit with gold accessories, and Aladdin is wearing his white baggy pants and a purple vest. If you place them on the doll stand, they look ready to do a little cloud surfing. Whee! Belle, Pocahontas, and Rapunzel are each sold separately. I would say these figures have a lot of personality. Rapunzel's face is priceless. She stands with one foot forward on a golden sun. Her hair is braided in the back, decorated with little pink flowers. This hand fits perfectly at the hip and the other one is pointing its finger. Pocahontas is also barefoot and she is standing on a rock. Her hair is blowing in the wind, which also makes her a little top-heavy. And even though she's on a stand, if her hair is positioned certain ways, it'll make her fall over. But I think she is just too pretty. Belle is wearing her classic yellow dress. Her stand looks like a golden tiled floor, but just like Rapunzel, it is very easy to get her to stand without it. She has a very cute look with large green eyes. And with those gloves on, she looks ready to dance. DJ, drop that beat. Oh yeah, that's my jam! From just reading the small comics on the back of the boxes, I feel that this is a very lighthearted and fun collection. In fact, I may have to go out and find the books and not just play with the toys. But I am excited to see what's coming next for the figures. Will we get Ariel as a mermaid? Pocahontas and her furry friends? Rapunzel after the big chop? And maybe some of our other favorite characters like Tiana, Naveen, or Mother Gothel. And Mulan. We gotta have Mulan. You know, they kind of remind me of Disney Infinity characters. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Disney Princess Poseable Comic Collection. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.